Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install HP DeskJet 2300 series printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So you would be able to see a link being attached at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. Okay. And the moment you have copied it, please paste it here at the Windows search bar. So press Ctrl V in the keyboard to paste it. And once you have pasted it, please click on the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be redirected to this mega file, and we just have to wait until this requesting for the access to be finished, and once the zip file is being ready here, please navigate to the option aligning to it, which is this download option. So please click on it, and the moment you do that, it will eventually start a downloading process. We just have to wait until this would be completed before we can proceed to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, directly proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon, and this small window would show where it says here done. So the next step that we need to do is we need to click on this folder icon to show it in folder, and eventually you would be redirected to this location. So from here, you need to proceed on this one, click this on this cut icon and close this window, and here at the desktop we need to move that here, so please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, we need to proceed to the next step, and that is to unzip this file. So by that, please do a right click. You can choose on extract all, or you can simply use this WinRAR tool and go with extract to. So once it is being successfully extracted, we need to move on to the installation. So by that, please proceed at the start icon, do a right click, and scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see an option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down, navigate with this option called devices. And here at the devices settings, we just have to scroll down and look for the settings that is related to it. So from here, you would be able to see more devices and printer settings. Please click on it and wait until a new window would appear in this window called devices and printers. So this window called devices and printers contains all of the devices, and that includes your printer that is being installed here in your Windows. The next step that we need to do is we need to navigate at the upper left side of that. You can see there an option called add a printer. So please click on it, and this window would show up. From here, please select on the printer that I want is enlisted, and please select on the fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, and go with next, and eventually it will ask you to choose an existing port. Click this down arrow key and go with this USB 001, USB 002, or USB 003. So make sure you choose any of these three, no other than that. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Go with next. Okay, go with have this and click on this option called browse. So from here, we need to navigate to the desktop where our extracted file is being located. So by that, please proceed at the left pane. You can see their desktop next to home. And please scroll down and proceed with this one, HP DeskJet 2300. Double tap to it, and eventually it will show you here. All you need to do is you need to choose this HP Win USB stub. Okay, once you've selected it, go with open and click on OK. And it will show you the printers that you can install with. So please select on the first, which is HP DeskJet 2300 series PCL3, and go with next. Go with next and wait until the installation process will be finished. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue in the installation. So we just have to wait for a few couple of minutes, and it will be finished. Here, it will ask you to allow for printer sharing. And if you would like to set it as your private printer, you can turn this one on, which is do not share this printer. And since want it to be a public printer, that's why I'm gonna selecting the second. Go with next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'll be leaving it unchecked. That's why I'm gonna click on finished. So go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP DeskJet 2300 series printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that on, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.